Alright mga Pops, welcome back to another episode of our Motovlog. So there's been a lot of questions from our viewers about the seat height of the R15, if how it suits a certain rider height. So I have decided to make a video regarding that and clarify things out. To give you an idea mga Pops, I'm 5'5", and as you can see in this clip, I'm super tingkayad ang position ko when I balance the bike using both feet. And masasabi ko lang, if kinapos pa ako ng 1 to 2 inches ng height, I'm pretty sure na hindi ko na mababalance yung bike using my feet. So, am I comfortable with it? No. Even though na mababalance ko siya using both feet, and to say na sanay na ako with its seat height, iba pa rin mga Pops ang level ng comfort kung naka-flat foot yung dalawang paa mo sa ground. One of the few things na nahihirapan akong gawin dito sa R15 is to make a U-turn. Due to these bikes, due to these bikes' poor turning radius, you can't make a U-turn using one turn only. So dapat mong i-atras yung bike before ka maka U-turn. So if you're on your tippy toes, mahirapan ka talaga considering this bike's weight, which is heavy. So to whom will I recommend this bike? Kung gusto nyo talaga mga Pops ng comfort in all situations when riding this bike, I can recommend this to mga riders na 5'6" pataas ang height. But wait mga Pops, if you are 5'5" and below at gustong gusto mo pa rin magkaroon ng R15, may solusyon tayo dyan mga Pops. That is what they called the lowering kit, which we are going to install in this video. Alright, so before tayo mag-proceed sa ating installation video mga Pops, mag-shoutout time muna tayo. Alright. Okay, so shoutout kay Pops Lord Zone, kay Pops Dwayne Leonor, at saka kay Pops Chester, one of our solid supporter. And special shoutout kay Pops Rusty Rider. Better check his channel mga Pops, he has some great content with his Rusi SS250 on his channel. A big shoutout sa iyo Pops. At saka shoutout kay Pops Arvin and sa mga members ng Iloilo R15 V3 group. More power sa group and ride safe always mga Pops. Alright. Okay, so we are back now mga Pops, and we have here the lowering kit we purchased from GR Speed. I ordered this through their Facebook page and it cost 695 pesos plus 195 pesos of shipping fee, bale 890 pesos all in all, and it took 4 days for this item to arrive. Alright mga Pops, let's unbox our lowering kit. So, nothing fancy in here, just 2 pieces of metal sheets, and ipapakita ko sa inyo mga Pops kung saan natin ikakabit ito.
Okay, so yan siya mga Pops. Ito yung link, yung dalawang link na kailangan nating palitan para bumaba yung seat height ni R15.
Okay mga paps, so sabi daw ni JR Speed, 1.5 inches daw yung ibababa ng seat height ng R15 kung papalitan natin ng ganito yung stock links. Based sa specs ng R15, 815mm yung seat height niya. So i-install natin ito mga paps para makita kung ilan ang kaya niyang ibaba.
Alright mga paps, so na-install na natin yung lowering kit, and as you can see, medyo vertical na yung stance ng bike. So kailangan na lang natin palitan yung stock side stand natin mga paps para hindi siya mabilis matumba kung kahit saan natin siya i-park. So ayan siya mga paps, as you can see, malaki yung ibinaba ng kanyang ground clearance. Ito, ang part na to. So 815mm yung stock seat height ng R15. Mineasure ko siya ulit using measuring tape, and around 765mm na lang. So halos 2 inches yung binaba niya. So very good para sa akin yan. So ipapakita ko sa inyo mga paps ang sitting position ko ngayon sa bago nating setup.
Okay, so kitang-kita nyo mga paps, hindi na ako masyadong tikayad ngayon compare sa stock links na medyo nakaganyan yung pa ako. So ngayon medyo flat foot na yung pa ako sa ground. Okay, so kung gusto nyo pang i-lower yung bike nyo, you can change the tires to low profile tires. Okay, so that would be it for today's episode, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like today's episode, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And as always, thank you mga pups, ride safe, and see you in the next one. Paalam!